Yo, YouTube, what is good? Squint Squad, what's good, y'all? You already know who it is. It's your boy Squints. And yo, today we're going to be doing my first unboxing video. And after waiting a hell of a long time, you know, my package was supposed to arrive on, I think, Friday. Yeah, you know, it's supposed to arrive on Friday. No, Thursday, actually. You know, it's supposed to arrive on Thursday at 9 p.m. Then they told me Friday. It didn't arrive on Friday. It came Monday, actually. You know, so after being delayed for a little while, we finally got our backdrop stand. You know, so it's my first unboxing video. I'm just gonna unbox this video and let you guys see what's in here, just in case you're wondering for yourself before you go spend some money. Just turn that, make sure my guys don't see my address. So, you already know what I want you to do. Like this video, because you know what you're getting into. You know, like this video already. Subscribe if you haven't already. Head over to empirical.org to get your t-shirts, all made by me. I drew everything myself, colored everything myself, pressed the shirts up myself. So go get you a shirt. And you know how we're gonna do. We're not even gonna waste any more of your time. Let's get right to, I wouldn't set this thing up already. Let's get right into this video, guys. Now that we got the package open, let's see what we got in here. Hey, what was boxing for in another box? You'd have swore I was ordering a missile or something. Okay. It looks like straps to carry it. That's everything. In my hand, I have clips. I guess this is to hang your backdrop. Comes with 3 clips. Let's put that right there. I have no idea what this is for, but you get 2 of them. Let's see. These are side clips. Okay, so I guess this is so your backdrop ain't like flapping back and forth. So you got 2 of them. It's a nice carrying case. Or these. So this now. Oh, these looks like stands. I guess one for each side. 2 of them. I think that's everything. This company, Shingui. Okay. Instructions. They seem pretty simple. Don't mind the hole in my sock though. You know, try to get it out the camera. And they mismatched. Don't worry about that. Don't mind it being a little bit wrinkled. But yeah. And that's the backdrop. It's super reasonable in price. It's $34.99. I'll leave the link in the description down below. If you appreciated this video, if you're actually thinking about getting this, leave it down in the comment section below. Yeah, that was that, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that. You know what to do. Like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and welcome to the Squint Squad. You know, if you're going to be subscribed right now, I just want to personally welcome you to the Squint Squad. All right, guys. Peace out. See you in the next video. Yeah.